Hi, welcome back to my channel Skills at Go. In this video we will see one more type of aptitude question problem which is related to time and work. So let's see the problem and solve it. A and B together completes a task in 20 days. B and C together completes the same task in 30 days. A and C together completes the same task in 30 days. So we need to find the ratio of number of days taken by A and number of days taken by C to complete a task alone. So in order to find the ratio, first we need to find the number of days taken by A to complete the task alone and the number of days taken by C to complete the task alone. Then we can divide both the days and find the ratio. So for any aptitude problem which is related to time and work, we need to remember the basic formula. If a work done in X days, suppose for doing certain task X days is taken. So in one day 1 by X part of the work will be done. So you need to remember just this basic formula. If the work done in X days, then in one day 1 by X part of the work is done. So here we have given A and B together completes a task in 20 days. So let's compare this. If a task is completed in 20 days, then 1 by 20th part of the work is done in one day. So let's write like this: A's work in one day plus B's work in one day equal to 1 by 20th part of the work. So together they will take 20 days and in one day together they will complete 1 by 20th of the work. Let's go to second statement. B and C takes 30 days, then in one day B's work in one day, C's work in one day equal to 1 by 30th part of the work. And A and C together completes the same task in 30 days. So in the same way, A's work in one day and C's work in one day will be 1 by 30th part of the job. So here if you see, so finally we need to find A how many days he will take and C how many days he will take. First we will find how much work A can do in one day and how much work C can do in one day. So here if you observe, A's work plus B's work equal to 1 by 20th part of the work in one day. Then if you want to find how much work A will do in one day, then we can subtract 1 by 20 minus B's work. So here A equal to 1 by 20 minus B. So here if you want to find C's work in one day, we can write C equal to 1 by 30 minus B. And here we have a third formula: A's work plus C's work equal to 1 by 30th of the work. So we have found A can do this much work in one day, C can do this much work in one day. And let's substitute those values. 1 by 20 minus B plus 1 by 30 minus B equal to 1 by 30. So we can write like this: 1 by 20 plus 1 by 30 minus 2B equal to 1 by 30. So if you do LCM, it will be 60. 3 plus 2 minus 120B equal to 30. If we evaluate 3 2's, it will be 5 minus 120B equal to 2 minus 120B, 2 minus 5, it is minus 3, minus minus cancel, and B equal to 3 by 120, that is 1 by 40. So we have found B can do 1 by 40th of the work in one day. Finally we need A's work and C's work. If you see this, A's work is 1 by 20 minus B's work. Here we have found B can do 1 by 40th of the work. If you substitute here, we will get the A's work. 1 by 20 minus 1 by 40. 2 minus 1, that is 1 by 40. So if A's work is 1 by 40th of the work in one day, then how many days he will take to complete? That is, if he takes 1 by x is 1 day, then it is x days. So A can do 40 days. So A can complete the task in 40 days, and let's find C's work. So let's substitute B's value here. 1 by 30 minus 1 by 40, that is 4 minus 3, 3 4s 12, 4 3s, so that is 1 by 20, 120. So if C can do 1 by 120th part of the work, then how many days he will take to complete? Then he will take 120 days to complete the same task. So A can complete a task alone in 40 days, C can complete a task alone in 120 days. We need to find the ratio of both the days of A and C. So we need to divide 40 by 120. That is 1 by 3, which is 1:3. So this is the final answer, 1:3. If A takes 1 day to complete a task, then C will take 3 days to complete a task, means 3 times of the A. So this is how we will find this type of problem. I hope you understood the concepts. I didn't use any formulas, I just used this basic formula. If the work is done in x days, then 1 by x part of the work will be done in 1 day. So the same formula I have used everywhere. I hope you like this video, and if you like this video, please share and subscribe my channel to your friends. Thank you for watching.